We came across friends who fear maths as a subject. Often the traditional way of teaching maths make maths look like a subject of mere numbers. Textbook maths doesn't seem very interesting, even though mathematics can be quite magical. We need to constantly go beyond the theorems and fundamentals of the subject and need to understand aspects of where and how we apply it in the real world. Here are some interesting applications of maths in real life. Math in movies. Have you ever wondered what goes behind the making of your favorite animated movie? All the characters, their movements, the way they speak, and all the dreamy backgrounds are nothing but a combination of polygons and formulas. We all love the cheers in Tom and Jerry, but how do we add life to these characters? They are just images placed at different positions with varied expressions. The positions of these images are decided by using coordinate geometry. All we must do is define the x and the y coordinate for positioning the image. For example, we want a character to run straight, so we start at x equals 1 and set a formula for further positions as y equals y plus 2. So it is not the characters moving, but these images shifting from one position to another that create this effect.
The golden ratio. The beauty of almost anything can be measured by maths. From a flower to architecture to human body, the beauty of all these is associated with a number, a golden ratio. This golden ratio, also known by the Greek letter phi, is found in almost every biological or non-biological things. For example, the ratio of the height of our navel to the height of our body is roughly the golden ratio. Our body has more than 300 such types of golden ratios. Mathematically, the golden ratio is almost equivalent to 1.618. This ratio creates beauty in everything.
Beauty doesn't lie in the eye of beholders, but is created by this magic ratio.
Some famous structures that have utilized these proportions are the Taj Mahal, the Pyramid of Giza, the Parthenon, and many more. And some famous logos that have utilized these proportions are Apple, Twitter, and many more.
Math in music. Music is all about emotion, and the note that music and math create is patterns. Musical notes often have choruses and bars which are repeating and appear as patterns. In maths, we look for patterns to explain and predict the unknown. Music uses similar strategies. When looking at a musical piece, musicians look for notes they recognize to find notes that are rare and less familiar. In this way, notes relate to each other. Relationships are fundamental to maths and create an interesting link between music and maths. It was Pythagoras who realized that different sounds can be made with different weights, vibrations, and the pitch of a vibrating string is proportional to and can be controlled by its length. For example, strings that are half in length are 1 octave higher than the original.